Today, we're showcasing our powerful metal baler in action, processing large volumes of steel turnings with ease. Steel turnings are a common byproduct of machining operations. Although they contain significant recycling value, they are difficult to store, transport, and manage due to their loose structure and the amount of space they occupy. That's where our metal baler comes in. With powerful compression force, the machine quickly compacts loose steel turnings into dense, uniform bales. The entire process is efficient, stable, and designed for continuous operation. By reducing the volume of the material, businesses can significantly lower transportation and storage costs while improving handling efficiency. The finished bales are neat, compact, and easy to stack, load, and ship. They can be sent directly to steel mills and recycling facilities, helping maximize the value of scrap metal. This baler is ideal for scrapyards, metal processing companies, and recycling plants of all sizes. Contact us today to learn more about our metal balers and find the right model for your production needs.
量一下具体的尺寸，看看那个，量一下具体的尺寸。